floosh cheese song. What did you get? Open up your hee-hee la cassette. Don't worry, parents, it's not a pet. We hope you love your hee-hee la cassette.
Actual hee-hee la cassette do not contain the following: kittens, doggos, or churches.
Hey guys, so for this video we're going to be making rock candy. It's a pretty simple process, but we do recommend that you have an adult with you as you'll be dealing with hot liquids. So essentially, all it is you're going to be doing is boiling sugar and water and letting it sit. This works through making a supersaturated solution, and in short, it's just going to make the sugar stick to the other parts of sugar. So let's start this. So the things that you're going to be needing are 2 or 3 cups of sugar. This is a bowl with 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of water, a pot to boil the water in, your clothespin and your chopstick or skewer, and then a glass to put it in. I'm using a tall mason jar.
The following resources are available in our community. If you need help with food, you can reach out to the food pantry at 503-879-FOOD. Other resources can be found on this list.
Hee Hee La Cassette productions are filmed in front of a live studio audience.